Today on Cooking with John.
It's Cooking with John. Cooking with John. It's always fun to cook with John.
We're going to need sweet potatoes that were left in the oven from last night. Caramelized. Remember to clean your skillet from the night previous. Yes. Clean. Going to need a cutting board. So the secret is in fact in just a few key ingredients. First, broccoli. Because these little flowerets over here absorb a ton of flavor and they're very nutritious. Second thing is kale. The kale is like the main part of this dish. It cooks really fast and it holds in its little creases all the good flavor that you're going to saute together. One thing I do is I add this vegan sausage from Gusta. Now, for the sauce, it's very, very straightforward. Soy sauce, nutritional yeast, next, maple syrup, and tahina. Oh, I forgot one thing. Beets. Ta-da! The magic of video. Where the fuck? Oh, look at that! Everything cut! Now, what we're going to do is we're going to place everything into a single bowl. And we're done that. All right. The next most important part of cooking this dish is the way in which we approach placing the ingredients in the skillet. First, lest us forget, we need to turn it on. And rest be assured, these are beets, not blood. Beets, not blood. Oh my God, what is that? Is that a cut? No, it's beets. Beets, not blood. So anyways, we need to be very, very careful when placing the ingredients. So next, we're going to add our tahina. Now, why the tahina? Well, it gives it a creamy taste, obviously. But what's really special about the tahina is that it helps the flavors to cake into those little ruffles inside the kale. And when it cooks together, caramelizing with the soy sauce and the maple syrup, with a little help of the powdery nutritional yeast, it creates this really nice umami flavored texture that's really delicious to enjoy, and it's very, very easy to make. To be honest, this whole thing takes like a whole of 10 minutes, maybe 15. So we're going to add our maple syrup to aid in the caramelization process of our delicious food. And then Last but not least, sprinkle some nutritional yeast. Ah, yeah. That's stuff. Oh, yeah. When you get near to the end of the palm, it's especially important to go even slower. Just like you're playing with sand on the beach back in those days in your childhood. Have a moment for yourself, you know? It's important. And let's see what it looks like in 5 minutes. It should look something similar to this. And you just keep it going. Keep stirring it, mixing it, poking it, and looking and seeing. You know how you know when it's ready? When you look at that delicious little piece of broccoli. Oh, that smoke, oh my god. And it looks like it's just starting to absorb them juices right around it. That's the moment. That's the moment you wait for, my friends. It looks something kind of like this. So why the beets, you might ask? Well, beets add a lot of nutritional qualities. They're nitrates, which helps your blood to intake oxygen, believe it or not. But also, it just goes really, really well with the other ingredients. And you know, why not give your body all those extra antioxidants? Why would you just keep it to the greens, you know? Get some red in there for you. All right. Looks about ready. I did actually have to add a little more water than what I did before. This looks about ready. We prepare our plate. There you have it. Delicious, nutritious, vegan cuisine in under 15 minutes. Mmm. So that is Cooking with John. I hope you enjoy it.
It's Cooking with John. Cooking with John. It's always fun to cook with John.